Hey guys! In this class, you're going to learn 6 different styles you can paint watercolor in. You'll discover the differences between each style. For example, how to let go in impressionistic style, or what's the difference between realistic style and illustration. What is grisaille? How to apply alla-prima style and what technique you need for it. So all these things will be discovered and demonstrated in our class, and you will try to apply all the knowledge in practice by painting cute pink flamingos. This course is easy and simple and meant to be for beginners, so you can practice your watercolor skills, apply them in practice, and figure out what style you prefer the most. So maybe this is going to be your future style you will use mostly in your art. So let's dive in and figure out what materials you will need for this course, because each style requires different materials.